Hi everyone, I'm Liam, and in this quick tip video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a cleaner workspace in Lightroom by hiding unused modules. So the default setup of Lightroom shows all the modules up at the top right of the screen, and these house the different functions that this app has to offer. So you have the library, develop, map, book, slideshow, print, and web. But if you're like me, you might only use a couple of these modules on a regular basis. So I tend to use the library and the develop modules the most. The library is where I'm going to make my selections, I can rate images, and I can view the grid of images like this. And then of course, develop is where I go when I'm ready to edit. I don't tend to use the map, I don't use slideshows, print, or any of those other functions very often at all. So you can actually hide those from the interface and give yourself a little bit of a cleaner look and just quickly access the modules that you use the most. So to do that, you simply right-click anywhere along this list of modules, and you'll see a little tick next to each of the modules that are currently active. And all you need to do is untick the ones that you don't want to see. And now you have a simple, clean interface showing only the modules that you use on a regular basis.